Hi, how are you? I've heard that some of you wish it for a tutorial with me, and your wish has been granted. Now, as what we could do today is we could draw some fancy food, so why not embark this adventure quest? And let's try with the first item. Delicious fruit from our homeland, pierogi. Oh, guess in the comments which ones are my favorite. Simsalabim, hop, spot, dance. About that, I think we need like adjust our expectations a bit, and we have to do it, unfortunately, analog way, you know, like drawing on paper. Yeah, it didn't turn out well. See you in a second on this table. Let's start with some nice brown shadow. Actually, my palette is full of nice colors, so let's mix it up. So I'm using old colors. Let me show you. I'm using old colors. Proposing stuff that I already have on my palette. It doesn't really matter for the first shade. I mean, it can't be too red. Though it's smiling quite a lot. Don't be. Okay. It's a little bit wet now. My luck. Let's draw it here. Like it's round. Another one. So I'm working here on paper, moleskine paper, I think it's a moleskine one. Yeah, it's moleskine. Moleskine acrylic thingy. So we got a body of our dumpling, pierogi. And let's fry it a bit. Quite famous, right? So to speed things up, because it should be a short TikTok, right? Remember that if you have a flat, like mine, I have a flat brush, sorry, you can work with it in both ways. So it's flat in this dimension, but thick in this, and you can make very thin lines, even though it's a huge one, bulky one, and you just put this. Now it's lovely dry, so we can finish it up. Yeah, it's actually finish up time. Remember, it's just a dough. Bye bye.